And the weekly... What's up, hackers? It's GoldieBlox, and guys, I am getting in the Pokemon spirit because Detective Pikachu is coming out. So I'm making sure I'm playing all my games because it's coming out and I'm so excited. The weekly GoldieBlox shout out goes to Magic the dog. They're also rocking a Pikachu onesie. So yeah, oh, my ears are falling off. If you guys want to make this onesie right here, I'll link it down below so you can also make this and wear it to the premiere and they'll all be like matching. Okay, wait. It's time to hack your world. Okay, and for our first hack, we have a Pokemon backpack. Well, I made Pikachu, but you guys can make any Pokemon you want. I obviously made Pikachu because the movie is Detective Pikachu, and he's obviously my favorite. It's a little basic, but you know, he's just the cutest. He's so cute, look at his little ears. You can go to the movies, wear that on your backpack and like sneak candy in. I highly doubt they'll check your Pokemon backpack. There you go. We're so twinning right now. So we've all wondered how like Pikachu like recharges his electricity, right? Well, let me tell you. He charges when he sleeps and it's stored in his little cheeks. Oh my God, that. Okay. Pokemon backpack, let's hack it. For this DIY, you'll need a yellow backpack, Pikachu colored felt, fluff, a laptop, tracing paper, black and white markers, a pencil, scissors, and hot glue. First, trace a Pikachu face. I use a pencil and trace very lightly on a laptop screen, but you can print out a Pika face to Pika trace if you want. Cut out the features of the face, keeping the page intact. You can use this for spacing later. Trace and cut out the features from black, white, and red felt. I use white markers on the black felt, so the trace would show up. If it bleeds and you want to cover it up, just use the black marker. For the ears, cut out 4 yellow pieces and 4 black accent pieces. Glue them together like so. Make sure you leave the vase open. Stuff the ears with the fluff. Cut a black trim and glue it along the edge of the ear accents to give it a polished look. Glue the face onto the backpack using the original tracing page as a placement guide. So cute! And that's it for today's video. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, but also subscribe for more DIYs every single Friday and hit the notification bell so you don't miss one. If you guys remake any of these hacks, make sure to tag @GoldieBlox on Instagram. I want to see them. That's it for today's video. GoldieBlox signing off.